and see you there. Just like talked about the new update on the channel. Excuse me. Let me tell you something, brother. Welcome to Let me tell you something, brother. Welcome to the channel update. Look at the future of this channel right here. With my 12-inch pythons. Whoa, whoa. Brother. Brother. Okay. Let's quit with that garbage. Alright, this is just a channel update. You know, Bruce passed away, so we're took a little while to get going, figuring out what we're gonna do, and I know that Bruce would not want me just to stop doing it. You know, he enjoyed it a whole lot, and I'm sure he'd want me to keep doing it. So George will be filling in, and my daughter Crystal wants to come do some videos too. And, so, you know, and I have a lot of turnout when I just mentioned to a few friends, and they're all like, oh yeah, I want to do that, I want to do that. So it's like, okay, well, I got other people interested in doing this. I have a lot of different guest stars and stuff, or guest hosts, I should say, none of them stars. So, real quick, I'll show you a couple of new things I added. The new bar started Fury. You're gonna see these videos. Got somewhat. Louis. Louis also passed away. My kids got me that for my birthday, Christmas. I love it. So that's the main bar we took on, but then I decided I need some more seating on the patio. So second bar out here. I'm gonna mainly set up that flat top right there, hook right there. So there's no bar under this. It's just bar height, right in. That's a new setup, and you keep coming. We're gonna keep making it. We're gonna keep chugging along. Anyway, East Side America, remember, cook damn food.